there. So I thought I would share with you a fan favorite in our house. So Dan and I usually eat this soup like a lot during late fall and winter. And we eat it so much just because we usually have all of the ingredients in-house all of the time. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna show you how we make our stuffed pepper soup. So in the crock pot here already, I have 2 cups of beef broth. And then outside of the crock pot, I took a pound of bacon ranch beef, which is from a local butcher that we have here, and browned it with 3 cloves of garlic, and then the recipe calls for half an onion, but I am usually cooking with shallots instead of onions just because there is more nutrients and vitamins in shallots compared to onions. So I put in 1 significantly large shallot, browned that all up, drained it, and put it in the crock pot. So then now you're gonna add in 1 full can of Rotel. You're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos. So this is a healthier version instead of soy sauce. And then I have here a cup of tomato sauce. Then we're going to do a half teaspoon of basil, a half teaspoon of oregano, then a sprinkle of pepper just over the top, and then the most important part, the peppers. So the recipe calls for green bell pepper and a yellow bell pepper, but what I'll do is, because we usually buy a ton of different peppers and we cook peppers in everything that we're eating most of the time, so I have here a red bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, and then to add a little bit more flavor, I'm adding in 1 poblano pepper. So I'm just gonna mix that up so all the ingredients get in the crock pot. And then I'm gonna put this on for 4 hours on high. And then what you can also do at this point in time is if you have cauliflower rice. So we already have pre-cooked up rice because we were trying to get rid of a bag of rice that we had. So we'll wait until the 4 hours are done, put in the cooked rice and cover it for another 20 minutes and it'll be all ready. But if you want to use a cauliflower rice as a substitute, now would be the time to add it so it cooks with everything else. And that's that. It's really that simple. You don't have to have a lot of ingredients and it tastes delicious. So I hope you guys like this recipe. If you want more recipes like this, just leave a comment below and have a great day. Bye.